So it's very common when you're doing movements like reverse lunges, single arm rows, barbell RDLs, your grip can fatigue first. And if your grip fatigues first, that means that we're not going to be able to fatigue the muscle that we need to fatigue in the movement. And so in order to counteract that, lifting straps are going to be a great way for you to ensure that your grip does not become the limiting factor in that movement. And so you are able to get to a point where you are fatiguing the target muscle without your grip being the limiting factor. So let me show you how to put these on. So what we want to do is we want to ensure that the loops are at the top. Feed this like so, away from you, and get this through the loop, and this goes in the opposite direction. And then you've set up your wrist straps. So now we need to ensure that they go on our hands in the right orientation. And the main thing that we need to do here is ensure that this line lines up with the direction of the thumb. So I'm going to put my wrist in, bring this around so that I've got this strap here, and then pull nice and tight. And as you can see, it's lining up with the thumb. It's not going in the opposite direction. I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side. Hand goes in. And you'll note not only is it lining up with the thumb, it's also on the inside of the thumb. And so we are now ready to grip our dumbbells or barbells. So let me show you on the dumbbells first. So now what I'm going to do, place my hand on top, bring the strap under, pull it tight, and normally that's enough, but because there's this length here, that can get a bit annoying. So just bring it round a couple of times, and then just twist your hands until you feel everything tighten up. And then this hand is secure. Then this is where things need a little bit more skill development because we're doing it one-handed. So hand on top, pull through with the fingers, wrap it around again just to get rid of that excess because it can get annoying. Twist, twist, twist. Then I'll pull these back into position, stand up with them. And these are now nice and secure. So I can now perform my RDL or reverse lunge and not worry so much about my grip fatiguing, as these are now super secure. So that's how we do it with the dumbbells. Let me show you with the barbell. So barbells, extremely similar. Let's pretend I'm going to do a barbell row. So hand goes on top. Make sure that you got your grip set to where you want it to be. Otherwise, it's going to be awkward sliding around. So hand goes on top. This is under. Wrap it around. That should be enough. But again, I like to get rid of the excess. And for some reason, feels more secure. Twist. That's super nice. Then hand on the other side. Single arm, again, requires a little bit more skill and dexterity. So let that go down. And then once I've got one, a little bit more manipulation. There we go. That's actually quite nice and stable. Go around again, twist. Perfect, I can feel that's nice and tight. Then I'm just gonna get into position for a row. So stand up, walk back, hinge, and pull. And I know that my forearms are not gonna fatigue here because I'm not actually gripping so hard, which means I'm gonna be able to perform this movement without my grip fatiguing first. So there you have it, guys. That's how you attach lifting straps to a barbell or a dumbbell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.